part one of me talking about clouds. So there's three kinds of clouds. We have the cumulus clouds, which are the nice fluffy ones that you might initially think of, and they are usually associated with fair weather unless they are dark and what I consider kind of brooding, in which case they might be a cumulonimbus cloud, meaning a cumulus cloud which produces rain. So there you go. Next type of cloud is the stratus cloud, which is the overcast sky, the sheet, the blanket cloud that you think of, and can sometimes make rain. The last type of cloud is the cirrus cloud, which looks like the thin and wispy clouds. They're actually made out of ice crystals, because once the clouds get that high, they actually freeze and form into these nice cirrus, thin and wispy clouds, which are actually made out of ice particles. And those are all the types of clouds. Part 2 on clouds. So, there's three levels that they have in the sky. The low level, which is notified by CL, the medium level, which is CM, and then the high level, which is CH. And then those levels are broken up 1 through 9, which is where we get the term on cloud 9, which is cool. So if I have a cloud that's low, it doesn't have any prefix. If I have a cloud that's on the medium level, it has the alto prefix. And then if I have a cloud on the high level, it has the cirrus prefix. So an example of that would be if I have a cloud on the medium level, it would be an alto cumulus cloud. If it was a cloud on the medium level, nice and fluffy. And you can use that to dignify any cloud. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Clouds! Hello, this is Clouds Part 3. So now we've gone over the basics of clouds. I want to bring up some cool clouds I want to show off to you guys. So, as we learned previously, there are cirroclouds, stratus clouds, and cumulus clouds. And these clouds can actually form hybrids. And you can have cumulus clouds that go up really high and become cirrocumulus. And they kind of work like compound sentences or stuff like that. So that's very cool. There's a couple more interesting clouds. Sometimes a mountain will actually have a cloud emitting from it, which will look like a banner, and thus comes the banner cloud, which is very cool. Also, sometimes volcanoes or other big explosions will produce pyrocumulus clouds, which are very cool and occur a lot of times due to man-made stuff like that. So yeah.